Oo nga.
Anak ko yung Cecilia. Papasalamat po kay Tito Greg sa lahat. Ano po yan? Ito po aking sa anak.
Sa lahat po, alam niyo na po yung lahat ng binigay niyo bahay or financial. Kaya thank you po sa lahat ng tulong sa amin. At yun lang po, ano po, thank you. Ako si Christine.
And good afternoon po. My name is Christina M. De La Cruz. I am the eldest child of Donnie and Georgie po. And again, thank you po Daddy Greg and to your whole family. Naging teacher din po ako with the help of Daddy Greg and Mami ko. Yun po.
Good afternoon po. My name is Kenneth M. De La Cruz. Pangalawa po ni Don. Parang kaya na po. Second year college, computer engineering, and thank you po kay Tito Greg and Tori for helping na po.
My name is Kevin Greg M. De La Cruz. Pangatlo pong anak ni Donnie. And maraming salamat po. Thank you so much po Daddy Greg and Mami Cory and Daddy Oji. Yun lang po.
What's your name? Kim. Hopefully, next time makasama din natin sila, no? And of course, may hahabol na meet and greet. Tawagin natin Kuya Julius. Ayan. Kilala natin si Kuya Julius.
Yun po, hi everyone. Hi everyone, good afternoon po sa lahat ng dito today. So, let me introduce myself po. My name is Julius Crisostomo Rosas po. Actually, ako po yung kain na natin na matagal na mawala. Joke lang po. Papatanggalan po ng nervyos, no? So, yun po, actually, I'm a bit nervous right now. Who doesn't belong or related to Rosas family, no? So, it's gonna be pressure on me po. At first, sabi nga po sa akin, Daddy Greg, just be myself. Genuine, sincere, and honest. So, which is definitely right naman po talaga sa Daddy Greg. So, yun po, my name is Julius Crisostomo, and sensya po mabilis po talaga magsalita pag kinakabahan ako. So, yun po, I'm also from here din po sa Imus Cavite. Actually, mga 20 minutes away po from Tita Cory's house, no? So,
Game start! Talaga naman, malakmakan naman natin. O, tingnan mo naman. Parang nagsusumba talaga to si Mami, no? Ayan. Okay, papatalo ba ang Rosario Family? Tayo po, tayo. Wala din, mahina pala yung Rosario Family. Lagpasan na rin natin. Mahina ang Pablo, mahina ang Maggie, mahina ang Rosario. Okay. How about Gregorio Family? Come on over here! Harap naman! Gets on the beat! Let's get on the beat! Game start! Alright, malakpakan naman natin. Okay. Papatalo ba ang Mario and Family? Ay, Bogs and Family! Cory and family! Game start! Teka lang, baka atakuhin kasi dito, Ochi. Sige, upo ka na nga, ngayon, Ochi. Alright. Papatalo ba ang Cecilia Family? Game start! Ay, mahusay. Mahusay. Alright. Everyone! Tayo lahat! Everyone! Game start! Alam ko kanila naman yung sarili nyo? Nako. Kaso, na-disappoint ako doon sa ibang family eh.
Me? Obsessed with you? Yes.
Ayun mo, talaga namang mga cancerous din talaga ang palakpakan naman natin, hey you! Magaling naman. Ay, talaga magkapatid pa. Sabi nga, hati na lang tayo. Hati na lang tayo. Okay, face to face. Okay, dito ako. Face, alright. Shoma, shoma, suma, shoma, shoma, suma, shoma, shoma, suma, shoma, shoma, suma, suma. Oh, suma! Suma na! Wow! Wala ka hirap-hirap, nanalo ka. Palakpakan naman natin. Okay, you can get your prize na ate, tita. Thank you so much. Is it, Christine? Alright, palakpakan natin si Christine. Kailangan meron ka pong ano? Meron ka pong backbite? Meron ka ng water? Ang dami namang preparation. Okay, alright, singing something we've written out song. Let's give a round of applause. So, Tito, Boss!
No, sa inyo lahat. Favorite, thank you, Paps. Oh, that's something. Because po, marami po kaming kilalang tao pero bihirang-bihira yung mga katulad niya. So, 1 in a million nyo po per year.
Thank you.
sa lahat ng mga kakilala natin, bihirang-bihira yung mga katulad ni Ninong Glenn. So, bihirang-bihira. So while we're having technical difficulties po, we are from San Pedro po, ni Mrs. Kababata ko po si Chester and Chessmark and Key and Tito Books po. Nakakalaro ko sa chess before. Hindi ako manalo. Playing games with me so long. I started to believe I never find anyone. So you tried to convince me to give away, said you could wait. But to listen, people shining true. The rain is done and the skies are blue. And oh, revelation to see someone sing I love you to me. Chance of a lifetime, and life showed compassion and said to me a strong compliment. Go you of all you do.
Sorry.
Found peace, happiness, so cool. And life is living again. Oh, love you easily. And send to me a strong compliment for you. I want you. I want in a million. And life showed compassion and sent to me a strong compliment for you. I want you. I want you. Para kay Pilita na, Pilita, hey you, Zelan Zeles. Woman, I can hardly express my mixed emotion and my thought movement. After all, I'm forever in your debt, and woman, I will try to express my inner feeling and thankfulness. Oh, showing me the meaning of success. Woman, I know you understand. Little child inside of man. Please remember, my life is in your head. And woman, hold me close to your heart. However distant, don't keep us apart. After all, this is really in the start. Well, woman, please let me explain. I never meant cause you so away. So let me tell you again and again, I love you. Yeah, yeah. Now and forever, I love you. Yeah, yeah. Now and forever, I love you. Yeah, yeah. Now and forever, I love you. Okay, thank you. Thank you for being so. Thank you.
Papasok natin po. Pasok! Pasok!
Walang nag-swimming?
Swimming at swimming.
Sila nag-swimming?
3 days day.
Wala na kagad pagkain, nag-swimming pa. Ito nga, nagbabalik ako ng pagkain para sa hanggang buhay natin.
Nasaan yung binalot mo, no? Nasa pakita mo nga yung binalot.
Gusto ko na nag-swimming.
You miss me?
Alam mo, kanina pa to eh. Iniibilangan mo na ba? Nakailan na, nakailan na.
Nakakaloka na to eh.